Thanks for tuning in to our latest video. Please like and subscribe as well as leave a comment below. In this video we will be covering the topic of credit scores. Understanding your credit score. Most of us are familiar with the phrase credit score, yet often struggle to really understand what our individual credit score means and how this impacts life decisions. More than reported by Forbes, some 700 million users around the world will rely on their credit scores for big financial purchases over 2020, from buying a car or house to obtaining small business loans. So learning about the basics of your credit is an important part of financially preparing yourself for the future. In this video we discuss what is contained in your credit score report, why it's essential to maintain good standings with it, and even dive into whether having one at all is actually necessary. Join us as explore through this financial terrain. What is a credit score and how does it work? The elusive credit score. It's that mystical number that can either make your financial dreams come true or send you running to the nearest loan shark. But fear not, my financially curious friend, for I am here to shed some light on this often misunderstood concept. Simply put, a credit score is a number that represents your creditworthiness. The higher the number, the more attractive you are to lenders. Your credit score takes into account things like payment history, length of credit history, types of credit used, and how much outstanding debt you have. It's a delicate balance, but if you stay on top of your finances and maintain a positive credit history, you'll be able to unlock all sorts of doors in the financial world. So keep that credit score in check, my friend, and watch those financial dreams come true. What is your credit score used for? Your credit score is like a GPA for your financial life. And just like how your GPA can affect your chances of getting into a desired educational institution, your credit score can determine your eligibility for loans, credit cards, and even employment opportunities. A high credit score signifies to lenders that you're a responsible borrower and likelihood of defaulting on loans are low. On the other hand, poor credit score reflects financial instability, which can, in worst cases, lead to a rejection from creditors. So, the next time you're thinking of swiping your credit card or applying for a loan, remember, a good credit score will pave the way for financial progress, while a bad one can be a major roadblock. Factors that make up your credit score. Your credit score is a snapshot of your creditworthiness, and it is affected by several factors. One of the most significant factors is your payment history. Consistently making timely payments will reflect positively on your credit score. Another factor is your credit utilization, which is the amount of credit you are using compared to your available credit. Ideally, you should aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. Other factors that make up your credit score include length of credit history, types of credit accounts, and new credit inquiries. It's important to understand these factors to improve your credit score or maintain a good credit standing. Remember, a good credit score opens up opportunities for better interest rates and loan terms that can save you money in the long run. Is having a good credit score necessary for financial success? Having a good credit score is a crucial part of achieving financial success. It can affect your ability to obtain loans, credit cards, and even rental agreements. But it's not just about getting approved for these things. A good credit score can also save you thousands of dollars in interest and fees over time. Plus, a high credit score can demonstrate responsibility and trustworthiness to potential employers and landlords. So, while it may not be the most exciting thing to think about, taking steps to build and maintain a good credit score can pay off big in the long run. Pros and cons of having a good credit score. Having a good credit score often puts individuals in a position where they can attain low interest rates for loans and credit cards, making it easier to pay off debt. With a higher credit score, you also have more negotiating power to work with when striking deals. However, having a good credit score isn't all sunshine and rainbows. When your credit score is high, lending institutions see you as a high-value prospect, making it more likely for them to overload you with credit. Additionally, a very high credit score may commoditize you to potential employers, landlords, and other people in positions of power. So, while having a good credit score is almost always a good thing, it's important to be aware of the disadvantages that come with it. Tips for improving your credit score and building healthy financial habits. Improving your credit score and building healthy financial habits might seem like a daunting task, but with the right guidance and mindset, anyone can achieve their financial goals. First things first, it's crucial to know what factors affect your credit score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history, among others. A practical tip to start building healthy financial habits is to create a budget and stick to it. This will help you avoid overspending and ensure that you're making payments on time. If possible, aim to pay more than the minimum amount due on your credit card bills, which will also positively impact your credit score. Lastly, be patient with the process and celebrate small victories along the way. With perseverance and determination, you'll be well on your way to financial stability and success. In conclusion, understanding your credit score, how it works, and what it is used for are essential elements of financial literacy. Having a good credit score can be advantageous in many aspects of life, from getting better mortgage rates to qualifying for a new line of credit. With that said, make sure to weigh the pros and cons before continuing down the path of putting more emphasis on maintaining a good credit score. If you do decide to build up your credit score, there are many tips and habits that can help you along the way, such as examining your spending habits and always paying your bills on time. Remember, knowledge is power, so don't hesitate to research further if necessary. Ultimately, having a good credit score serves an important purpose but won't guarantee financial success. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one.